Hi friend, I'm Olivia Smith. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel where I share the latest global news every day. You can also read more news on TimeGlitter.com. You can find all the links in the video description below. In case the link isn't working, simply copy and paste the link into your web browser, hit enter, and you're good to go. Now let's jump into today's news. News headline: I'm not on trial. Fani Willis denies wrongdoing over relationship with Trump prosecutor. Details news: Fulton County's District Attorney Fani Willis strongly rejected any accusations of wrongdoing during a court hearing on Thursday. She addressed claims suggesting that her romantic involvement with a deputy prosecutor, Nathan Wade, in the Georgia election interference case against Donald Trump should disqualify her from the case. In a recent court hearing, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis provided clarity regarding her relationship with Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade, asserting that it commenced months after he was hired to work on a case concerning Donald Trump's attempts to dispute his loss in Georgia's 2020 election. Willis stated that their relationship concluded in the summer of 2023. Furthermore, Willis addressed accusations of her involvement in a kickback scheme through Wade's employment, as proposed by defense lawyers for Michael Roman, a co-defendant of Trump. Allegations suggested that Willis profited from Wade's earnings. However, Willis testified that she reimbursed any expenses Wade incurred for activities such as vacations by repaying him in cash. During her testimony, Willis expressed frustration towards the lawyers questioning her, emphasizing that the trial should focus on the alleged election interference rather than her personal life. The outcome of the hearing, which continued for a second day before Fulton County Superior Judge Scott McAfee, could significantly impact the crucial criminal case against the former president. If Roman succeeds in removing Willis from the case, it would disqualify the entire district attorney's office, potentially disrupting the prosecution process. Throughout Thursday's hearing, testimonies from Willis, Wade's former law partner Terrence Bradley, and former Fulton County District Attorney's Office employee Robin Yurtai were pivotal. Judge McAfee concentrated on three main areas concerning the alleged conflicts: whether Willis financially benefited from Wade's hiring, when the romantic relationship began, and whether it persisted. During his testimony, Wade reiterated that their relationship began in March 2022, 4 months after his hiring, and they evenly shared expenses for trips. He emphasized the privacy of their relationship and mentioned that their romance ended in the summer of 2023. The ongoing hearing is critical in determining the course of the prosecution against Trump and underscores the complexities surrounding legal proceedings involving high-profile cases. Earlier testimonies during Thursday's proceedings placed Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis in a defensive position regarding her alleged romantic involvement with Nathan Wade, a special prosecutor in the Trump case. Robin Yurtai, described as a former college-era friend of Willis, testified that she had strong convictions about Willis and Wade being in a relationship before Willis hired him for the Trump case. This testimony is notable because Wade had previously stated in a court affidavit that their relationship commenced after he was hired. Anna Cross, representing Willis, highlighted Yurtai's resignation from the district attorney's office in 2022, suggesting a strained relationship between her and Willis. Cross insinuated that Willis might have disclosed to Yurtai her potential termination due to poor performance. Yurtai further testified that she had no awareness of Willis and Wade cohabiting, sharing expenses, or vacationing together. Such details are crucial as they could determine whether their relationship posed a significant conflict for Willis. Subsequently, Willis testified that Yurtai was not a consistent or close friend, casting doubt on Yurtai's assertions. Despite this, some observers remain skeptical. Josh Schiffer, a criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor, remarked that two witnesses had indicated the relationship began before 2021, contradicting Wade's affidavit. Schiffer emphasized the clarity of evidence against the affidavit's claims. The allegations initially emerged in a motion filed on January 8 by Roman's lawyer, Ashley Merchant. She raised concerns about potential self-dealing between Willis and Wade due to their alleged romantic involvement. The motion accused Willis of engaging in a quasi-kickback scheme, suggesting that Wade used earnings from the Trump case for joint vacations. However, the motion lacked concrete evidence. On February 2, the district attorney's office acknowledged Willis and Wade's romantic involvement but maintained that it occurred after Wade was hired. They emphasized that there was no financial gain involved, as travel costs were shared between them. Don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share with others, and subscribe